Chloe. The very first hairstyle I'm going to show you is the easiest one. It's the perfect way to dress up a regular old braid. Sometimes I just look in the mirror and I'm like, I need something a little different and I want to look a little cuter. Now, if you notice, the ponytail holders I will be using in this video, and I've been using for a while now, are TIY Life ponytail holders. They're not your regular ponytail holder. They don't pull at your hair. They're super comfortable, super light, and there's so many custom ways to use them. Once you have your hair in the low ponytail, you just lower it a little bit, and then above the elastic, split your hair in two, flip your hair through. And then you just tighten up your hair. This is the look that you have, and now you just braid your hair.